Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create original jokes on ChatGPT. So let's get started. The first step is to launch your go-to-web browser and go to chat.openai.com, which is the gateway to our AI-powered creativity. If you haven't logged in yet, use this opportunity to do so right away. We put ChatGPT, our clever digital companion, to the test by asking it to come up with a joke that perfectly captures the long-standing rivalry between dogs and cats. The outcome? Here's where the fun starts. A true tribute to the AI's developing sense of humor. I will simply ask ChatGPT to tell us a joke about dogs and cats. And if it is like magic, it will immediately provide a joke that will make you laugh. Wait though, don't worry. If your first attempts falls short of your expectations, a new side-splitting gem can be generated with just one click. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.